In this video, we will show how to install and activate CCleaner software. Use the link in description to download CCleaner. Once downloaded, click on Save. Here, I am saving this in my default downloads folder. For Edge users, download will show on right side top. For Chrome users, download will show on left side bottom. Once download is complete, please open the file by clicking on it. Click on Yes to allow to make changes. CCleaner installation wizard will now start running. Please read on-screen instructions carefully and hit Next. First screen will allow you to choose language. I selected English and hitting Next. Once installation is complete, CCleaner will open automatically. First screen will ask you for your name, email address, and license key. Please enter all details and click Continue. In case you don't have your license key, please contact us. In case you don't see a place to enter license key, please click on License on left side bottom or click on My Account on top right and click Subscription. Your CCleaner is now ready to use and you can now run your first scan.